Lily had built walls around her heart, shutting out the world after a breakup that left her feeling abandoned. She spent most of her days alone, wondering if she'd ever trust someone again. That night, as the rain poured down, she saw him, a stray dog, shivering and wounded. Something inside her softened. Despite the walls she had built around herself, she couldn't ignore the dog's plight. As days passed, Lily found herself caring for the dog more than she expected. In his presence, she felt a sense of companionship that she hadn't known in a long time. One evening, a knock on the door shattered her peace. An elderly man stood there, holding a flyer with the dog's picture. In that moment, Lily realized that healing sometimes came from unexpected places. She returned the dog to his rightful owner, but in doing so, she had found a new friend, a man who shared her loneliness and pain.